once again announce ke malaga channel or itu nutun update kura video ko welcome kura channel dia ase chokali ekdam funny thing ekta happen hoise moge anan ge moi bra update kuri thaka nisna Mike Tyson or Jake Paul do hole chokali khila thakise to itu laga match so hole moi ekla sado satisfied ekta nai itu bra anan ge update kuri thaka nisnai moi itu video do parada amnan gibi dekhai dibo oina process kora thakise to idu namide moi for first time Netflix download kurigna for 1 month nisna puisa pay kurigna idu match to sai thakise de to match sai thakadam de amnan ge dekhai dibo na moi pura screen recording do kurigna sai to inaga record kurigna sai gna thaka pichide last day moi video kan edit kurubo alop edit kurigna amnan gibi reaction nisna nohole ekta cloud tribes day upload kuri digina amna hange link share kurigina tade bra amna download kurigina saule dibo gina moila ka bhabana enaka thagise de to last ki hoise edit kuruguna video khola dem de video do inaka baise so viewers idia amna dikhise yade sound do huni ase holibi picture do dikhai na dikhe to itu ki hoisina buna bisaradam de last day moi puji paise ki Netflix bra screenshot nohele screen recording hole allow nai buna last day moi do kotha do pa thakise to mola ka kam do amnan ge dekhai dibo ko do it be fail or moi be mane ekdam buthu thakana itu amnan ge do mola ka side prabi first day itu chanai diase to jokali laga match to hole moi mukti koi dibo Jake Paul bra barise Olebi Jake Paul bra kwadu hole 4 and 5 rounds majule Mike Tyson do knockout kuri dibo koina thakise Olebi Tyson 8 rounds sop rounds khiliche to by decision ni do hole Jake Paul bra para thakise Tyson majule 38 years gap ase Jake Paul aro Mike Tyson majule to Mike Tyson bi itia konisna bisi bura ho jabro ta do hardly tai ekta duita punches throw roll parise to by decision ne Jake Paul bra GTC de guna amnan ge video bra dekhawle process kurise na para nimide moi amnan ge kotha ba na hoi diase de etu bra mon bia na bawle viewers kan ge video janai diase so viewers aji laga video laga main kotha to hoile naga ho khan bra framework agreement opor ki koi ase etu honai di bole etu video lekin ayas naga ho khan bra etu laga framework agreement laga negotiating parties khan NNCN IM aro Government of India ge edu issue to hole into naga political issue to hole chuldi khatam kuri de phal ase koina naga ho khan pra koise naga ho president Solatham totha brakwa to hole edu framework agreement to hole akas 2015 day in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi sign kura thakise 80 years of negotiation thakise holebi First breakthrough to 1997 day ceasefire loigana shuru hua thakise to 1997 ba loigana achida ceasefire extension no hole etu peace talk to hole aro negotiation to hole 27 years running hoyas 27 years majode India government bra tahan bra promise kura to hole idia da naga manuhan mohangen nadi gana ase etu 27 years majode charda prime ministers khan aise edu chara prime minister khan bi kun bi correct tahan pra promise kuri gina thaga edu deliver kurule promise na thaga naga ho khan pra koise monsop pra akha thaga edu political settlement by sobole hi naga manu khan monsop nimide ekta rights ba nisna hobo enega political settlement by le naga manu as a whole mon bi ekta umbrella bithode phal bra ko access kurula parebo kugina naga ho khan pra koise aro so far India government bra tahan bra promise kura itia da deliver no kurigena thaka hole tahan naga part te ekta insincerity ase kugena naga ho khan bra koise aro naga ho khan bra kwadu hole naga manu khan monsop bra manga solution itu lago opore acknowledge no kurigena dusra excuse ponagena dusra noha compromise kurina nole alak in 3D update kuri sholo naga manu khan mon itu go nohunubo lagi kugena naga ho khan ba koise aro etia moi bra kwa peace negotiating de negotiating parties khan ki man ase tahan bra all section of the people of Nagaland should be included ko ase action nei loigena action na charo lage Inega kurishulado future the misunderstanding olago. So sub section of the people should be included. Inago hile Nagaland long durable peace to hile prevail kurubo kogina nakaho kanba question. Inago habra solution to hile ekta inclusive or ekta honorable hobo lage kogina nakaho kanba question. Further nakaho kanba ko to hile NNPGS can be to hile sub unite hobo lage. Naga political agenda ki ase itu pabo nimide unite kurigana kam kurul lage. Inago hile mohan braki bhabana kuri aur mohan laga goals to ki ase inago hile success hobo kana naga ho khan bokoise aur on the other hand public mohan ki bidu hile itu laga peace process te involve kurole request kura itu koi di ase mohan niju laga ideas ki ase niju laga phal views ki ase itu share kurigana itu laga peace process te Naga as a whole or public mohan bidu hole involve hole naga ho khan ba request kuri ase mohan do hole ekta mere spectator nisnai no hobo lage mohan laga phal idea ki ase edu do hole mohan share kuri gana involve hobo lage aro on the other hand edu laga negotiating de kiman manu tahan laga time phela gana work kuri ase kam kuri ase tahan ki mohan olda ekta problem no hobo lage kugina naga ho khan ba koise to actually ke idea share kuri gana phal bra edu peace negotiation to jolly solution pabo nimide mohan sob involve kurila phal ase kugana naga ho khan koise aro naga ho khan ba last day edia thaga prime minister Narendra Modi ki bi tai pra promise kuri gana rakha edu long standing promise to dile phal ase aro last day edia president thaga BJP lead central government Narendra Modi ba lead kuri gana thaga han pra for the aspiration of Naga people edu solution to hole tahan pra promise kuri gana rakha solution to hole no hole framework agreement to hole by December deliver kurula akha ase kugana naga ho khan bra kwa aji announce sob ke through this video share kuri diase. Thank you everyone for watching my video.